Hey everybody, Josh from Populi. We're talking easy online enrollment. We actually have another video that covers some similar ground on this, and that one's called super difficult online enrollment. Only kidding. That other video contains a lot of detail and it's super helpful, and it's linked in the description below. So you can check it out if you want to get into the nitty-gritty. What is this? A grassy hill on a beautiful summer's day? Because we're talking rolls, as in rolling down the hill. You'll need either the academic admin or the registrar role to set up online enrollment. Online enrollment, what is it? The answer might surprise you. Online enrollment allows students to log into Populi and then register for courses. Was that surprising? I'm guessing that many of you are saying no. Online enrollment gets set for a term, so it'll be set at the term level. To do that, we'll go to academics and then into academic term info. Then we'll make sure we've got the correct term selected there. And then down here, you'll see the SIL for online enrollment. All you need to do is click edit, and then we're able to set that opening date. Once that's set, you'll see that we've already got this end date for online enrollment filled in. That's the date on which students will no longer be able to go to their profiles and register for courses. We've supplied that from the add drop date. However, not all schools close online enrollment on the add drop date, so you're able to adjust that as you need to. For more information about the rest of what you see here, you can refer to our other video or the documentation linked below in the description. Once we've got that set, we'll click save, and now that's there. And that's pretty much it for setting online enrollment. So what happens next? Well, nothing until you reach that start date and time. At that point, students are able to register. Let's have a look at what students see when they register for courses. When a student logs in after you've opened up registration, online enrollment, they'll land here on home dashboard and they'll see under alerts this notification: registration is now open. They can click that and be whisked magically to their registration tab where they can register for courses, or they can go to My Profile and then onto the registration tab, which whisks them magically to their registration tab so that they can register for courses. They'll click on the green plus button and then click Add to select that course. And then once they've selected the rest of their courses, they can submit their registration by clicking Save over here. And just so you know, we have a full video on that process that's pointed at students, and we'll link that in the description below. Click like, subscribe, click the bell to turn on notifications, ding, ding, ding. And then you can also check us out on social media, which is linked in the description below. I'm Josh for Populi. Thanks for watching.